Do you ever feel like your money just disappears every month? You're not alone. But what if I told you that you're probably making one huge mistake with your money that's not even about how much you earn? In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 smart spending tips that anyone, yes, anyone, can apply today. And trust me, they'll surprise you. Let's dive in. Imagine this. You've been working hard, but at the end of the month, there's just never enough. Sound familiar? Well, here's the kicker. It's not always about making more money. It's about how you manage what you already have. So grab your pen and let's change your financial game with 3 smart spending hacks that could transform your relationship with money. Ready? Tip 1. Prioritize what you're spending on. First up, prioritize your spending. Too often, we get caught up in spending money on things that don't even matter in the long run. Let me ask you this. What are you really spending your money on? Here's the truth. If you're not mindful of where your dollars are going, you're literally throwing your cash away on things that won't bring you lasting value. Instead of trying to keep up with everyone else, focus on what brings you the most joy or value. For example, ask yourself, do I really need that extra subscription? Could I cut back on impulse purchases and save that money for something that matters to me? Intentional spending. That's your new best friend. When you prioritize what's truly important, you stop the cycle of wasting money on stuff that doesn't really add value to your life. This small mindset shift can free up your finances in a big way. What's something you're currently spending on that you could easily cut back? Comment below, and let's see if we're all guilty of the same thing. Now, before we dive into the next tip, let me remind you, these simple shifts can totally transform the way you handle money. Stick with me for the next 90 seconds, because tip number 2 is going to make you rethink how you approach your spending habits. Don't miss it. Tip 2. Stop raising your income to match your spending. I know you've probably heard the advice, earn more to live better. But here's the catch. It's actually smarter to lower your expenses and live below your means. Instead of constantly chasing bigger paychecks, try cutting back on things that are draining your budget. Maybe it's that pricey restaurant dinner or buying gadgets you don't really need. The truth is, the happier you'll be by lowering your expenses, the more freedom you'll gain over time. The key is to start small. Cut down on unnecessary spending and focus on the essentials. Don't think of it as depriving yourself. Think of it as freeing yourself from financial stress. When you spend less, your income goes much farther, and that's the real secret to financial freedom. What's one expense you've been considering cutting out? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's see who's ready to take this on. Alright, stay with me, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm about to drop a game-changing tip. You're going to discover how to turn your time into a financial asset. So don't go anywhere, because tip number 3 is something you can apply today. Tip 3. Time is money. Manage both. Alright, this one's a game changer. Time is money. And how you manage your time directly impacts how well you manage your money. If you're spending all your time scrolling through social media or binge-watching shows, you're likely not spending your time in ways that will increase your financial success. The people who really succeed at money aren't just great at saving, they're great at using their time wisely too. Here's a powerful tip. Invest your time in activities that will help you grow your income or make better spending decisions. Whether it's learning new skills, building your network, or organizing your budget. The more intentional you are with your time, the better you'll manage your money. When you have a handle on your time, you'll see your financial life starting to fall into place. Do you feel like you're using your time wisely, or do you find yourself wasting time when you should be getting ahead? Drop a comment below and let me know how you spend your days. You're almost there, and these tips can completely change the way you handle your money. Stick around, because I've got a quick recap of everything you've learned, plus some advice that could lead to your financial breakthrough. To recap, start by prioritizing your spending, lower your expenses instead of raising your income, and manage your time just as carefully as you manage your money. These 3 tips might seem simple, but trust me, they'll unlock a world of financial freedom you never thought possible. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button. Share this with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart money tips. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one tip you're going to start applying today to manage your spending? Leave a comment below and let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.